hit the ground. Water balloon!
What?
You don't like the water balloon?
Sonny, just jump it out.
Ryan.
Go.
To the track.
What's up, Donnie?
Checking axle bolts and then putting tires on. We're gonna go send it.
Yesterday there was trains of 4, 5, 6 cars going, and the whole train was just FDF cars.
Yeah, you just see it. Yeah, it's cool.
Every single Luke, Fink, you, like
Well,
everyone.
it was so
You know what the
nice
cool
to
thing
drive
about
with,
that is
it was so nice to drive with Adam and Sean, and they had the same kit, and like we would just
your cars
back
react
up the
the same
same,
way.
and it was so nice, dude.
Yeah.
It was so
I
great.
love seeing it.
Because I saw Adam post on his story on Monday that he put the FDF in, and I was just like,
True.
I messaged someone on the page. I was like, can I get this for tomorrow? And they're like, okay, yeah.
Ethan.
Ethan, yeah.
But I mean, we're like, I'm on the page too, and Ethan's like, Jimmy just messaged us. So I'm like, yeah, just do what you got to do.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Send
He can message
Yeah,
me.
Jimmy, it's a big FDF tire streets.
Big FDF.
A lot of FDF tire streets, guys.
I signed
right?
a lot of tire street stuff yesterday.
Yeah.
It was funny. It was cool.
You see what I was doing?
No.
You're literally, I was having him sign the koozies, and I was just flinging
it's
them,
perfect,
flinging
yeah.
them into the crowd.
People love it,
People
yeah.
are like, yeah.
Free shit. I love it. Yeah.
Dude, I was just walking through the crowd, like throwing people, hitting them in the head, and they're like, oh.
It's a koozie though, so
it's
it's
free
fine.
for me,
It's fine.
man.
It's me.
Throw it as hard as you want. It's fine.
No, I hit some
Yeah,
people with some
literally.
I had some people with some cups, and I like zinged it.
Yeah.
No, it's
The
good.
cups are cool. I feel like that's like so like 2008, like, but it's so good.
If you were mad though, you could soak it and then just squish it up.
Like the pool balls, skim them across.
Yeah, but no, it's funny that most of the guys, Luke Fink, you,
Yep, Sean.
Rudnick,
Rudnick.
and a lot of the guys are on tire streets, the Celeras, and FDF. We're taking over.
That was great to see. I mean, half of Drift Week, if not slightly more, is all FDF.
I think that more people would be on the Celeras for Drift Week if it wasn't like
Exceller is an amazing tire for Drift Week. I'm gonna say that right now. I was so impressed by how long I was going. Like, that car, tires should
I was
never
on the
last.
same tires all day yesterday. It was
That's
awesome.
impressive.
Yeah.
Another FDF guy.
Another big FDF guy.
Look at this.
FDF guys here.
No, I was super nervous that like my car would kind of like lose its soul a little bit by putting on like a full angle kit.
Yeah, maybe.
And it didn't, which was dope. You know.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Did you run it like a bit shorter than what we suggested, or you?
Exactly, I suggested.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. 5 turns, 3 turns, done. Yeah.
Awesome.
Works. I gave it like I literally bolted it all together. I like gave it like the quickest board alignment ever, and we're here. It feels great.
Toe. Set the toe. Way to go.
Set the toe. Way to go. Yeah, exactly.
Not enough voltage.
What?
Not enough voltage, I don't think.
What's it at?
11.8.
Give some gas. Were you?
What?
Are you giving me some gas?
Yeah.
So close, Donnie.
Literally, you stand close to it. It's like, well, it's just gonna start.
You got to give her a little juice, Donnie.
Jesus Christ!
Donnie, you just grenaded it.
Don't floor it, Donnie. Just a little bit. You're almost there.
This thing was never this hard to start before.
Show me how it's done.
He's almost there. A little bit of gas. Off.
Yeah.
Can I throw? Is this throwable? This change that you guys have, pennies?
Yeah.
You just throw
That's
them?
all it's for. You come out of the store, you whip it.
Typically, you save it for when you're driving and someone cuts you off, and you just.
Ah.
What do you think? This is the first Corvette I've ever sat in that feels like comfy.
I can't wait to get a pair of New Balances. Little midlife
Oh,
crisis.
and the steering wheel goes up. Oh, we're
now it looks
chilling.
Everything I need for them. Our separator right here might be a little full. This bad boy. Haven't checked it since he got here the other day. Maybe check it. Drain her out.
Yeah.
Now everything's all gross.
I didn't know the track. He shallows up, and I'm thinking we're going to a different corner, and then he's like parking it, and then he's going this way. I'm just like trying to adjust, like while driving. It was crazy.
Well, you didn't
And then we're
run a
doing
single
fourth
lap.
gear, doing 100 miles an hour.
That was sick.
sick.
So glad we got it. Look, 2 laps, just like you.
That was fun. That was
Yeah,
fun.
his first lap pulls up behind Booth. Let's go.
Well, Booth was
Never
running
driven
behind
the
me, and I
track.
spun at about 100.
I was like, oh shit.
That was so sick.
Oh, it's so fun.
We're
Coming
going.
off the wall, the next corner to the left.
Yeah.
I thought it like went way wider, and you just parking it, and I'm like, where is he going? What's he doing? It was great.
I was trying to hold it together.
Big camera guy.
Little camera guy.
Oh, little camera guy.
Little camera guy. Yeah, that's where I keep my things. Indiana Jones has one. I don't know how to run this thing though.
Camber gauge here.
I think it needs more time to run.
It's not the end of the world. It's just gonna, you know, everything plays like that.
I just probably adjusted that. Yeah, that's the angle you want.
Like, this is how much you can, like, that's what you can get. Like, that's not even that.
Wait.
You can get way more.
No.
Yeah, you can totally get that. Like, my Corvette gets that much.
Can
No,
you
the
show me
wheel-
how my angle was again? This is how I've been drifting, because I never had this kit set up the right way, and now we have the man here showing us how to get more angle. Now I can do that.
Yeah.
What? Wow.
But this is dependent on your wheel. Like, when I was talking to Adam.
I think I was stealing his. I'm gonna try his raise on the front.
So we're just fixing Colette's car right now. She's wondering like if there's anything she should change on, like it was driving a little weird and stuff, and like this is how she's always had the car set up. So me and Josiah came over here and we're adding more camber and just adjusting her caster and everything, and then we switched out her bump stops to shorter ones so now she can get more angle out of the car. But that's the joys of a brand new car, brand new build. You never know what you need to change, but we'll get it fixed. adjusted on this side? Yeah. So we're just checking toe after changing caster and camber and everything, and a new tie rod on that side, so we're just gonna adjust it so then she can go out and test it.
Gonna be, oh my god.
Did
you guys charge the one wheel or what?
No.
You said it's dead. Is it dead?
So Donnie and I were helping out Adam and Colette. A couple things with their kit. They pretty much just threw it on, and then I'm assuming they just didn't have time to do anything. No alignment, no setup. So we helped them set it up, align it. I saw her just give them, Adam, a thumbs up in the line. It was, the bump stops were set probably 20 degrees off of the like angle limit. So like they were very conservative, so we fixed that for them. And yeah, she gave a big thumbs up, so she's good. We're good. We've been driving, chatting, networking, all that good stuff. That was just a chill day. Both literally and figuratively, a chill day. Very cold. I have 2 sweaters on, but the vibes are high. Having a great time. Had some great runs with like Ben Hobson, Rudy Hansen, all the boys. Sean Booth. Probably got some good footage from that one. So it's fun. We're gonna wind down the next half an hour or so, and I don't know what we're doing in the evening. Probably cleaning up and getting ready to go to the next track tomorrow, which is Pocono Raceway. I'm assuming that's what it's called, Raceway. Yeah, so thanks everyone. Chris Knapp, super great guy, giving us the tire machine to do some tires. We brought some parts down for his IS300. We're excited for everything to do with, love working with him. And yeah, that's it, closing. This car's an absolute monster. Austin said when he was in it, he thought we were gonna crash 4 times minimum on 1 lap. 4 times. I did too, so I'm surprised. No, we weren't even close. This car's angle, power, it's got a lot of insurance in the form of angle and power, so I can pretty much fix any mistake, because I don't know the layout that well still. They changed it again. Did you videotape my first one? Oh, that's funny. I just sent it doing, I don't know what speed, and then the corner was blocked off, so then I just like, what do they call it when you're aboard? I guess abort. I hit abort. After I saw the corner pass me by, like, oh, that's where you're supposed to turn. And I was doing 100 mile an hour, so I wasn't gonna make it. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching us on our first couple days of Drift Week.